Hi guys, welcome back to Tech again. Today I will show you how to add or delete your drop-down list in Excel. Hope you guys know drop-down lists in Excel are created using data validation. So the normal data validation option will not give you the option to edit the drop-down list. That means you cannot add or delete the uh, standard data validation drop-down list. So first of all, I will create a normal data validation drop-down list, and then we will show the technique to add and delete the drop-down list. So let's get started. Here I have a list of countries, which is my data, and I'm going to apply my data validation technique on this column. So go to data, go to data validation, take the list option, select your source, and click OK. So here you will get your standard drop down list where you cannot make any editing. That means if you delete or add, like say I'm adding now United Kingdom, this addition will not make any changes in your current list. So I will show you how to dynamically update your drop down list. The first thing you have to do is convert your data into a table. For that, select your data range, go to data, select the option insert and click table and click OK. Now your data is converted into a proper Excel table. Now you need to give a unique name to your table so you can link that name into your data validation formula. So here I'll show how to do it. Go to formula, go to the option define name, click on that. Now you can see your table has been identified. Now click on the table and change the name of the table to whatever name suits you. Like I'll put countries here. Countries. Click OK. Now you go back to your data validation formula. Data validation formula. Now remove the formula, existing formula, and just put the equal to countries and click OK. Now what happens if you try to delete data from the list, delete, and if you go to the data validation, your drop down list, you can see the name has been disappeared. Same way, if you make additions, like I put country Hungary, now you can see in your drop down list that has been added. So this is the option, like dynamically the list get your drop down list get updated. There is no way you require to again change the formula, extend your data range. It'll be too much time consuming. Hope you like my video. Thanks for watching. Bye.